Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear the RAM cache of your PC on Windows 11 or 10. So let's get started right away. Now, if you wish to clear the cache memory within your RAM, then you will need to use a software for this. So open up your web browser and simply search for RAM Map download. This is an application called RAM Map through which you can clear your RAM cache. Click on the first link from Microsoft Learn and then click on the download RAM map button. After the file is downloaded, you will end up with a zip file. Just right click on it and then choose extract all. Once the files are extracted, before running it, let's right click on the Windows Start button and then click on Task Manager. Now when we click on Performance and then choose Memory, we can see how much cached memory exists within our RAM. So in order to clear this, let's open up the RAM map application. After you open it up, click on the Agree button to accept, and you can now see the usage of your RAM. In order to clear this, simply click on Empty at the top section, and from this page, click on Empty Standby List. Make sure not to click on any other process, as this might affect your PC right away. Once you click on this button, you will notice that your cached memory will be cleared right away, and it will also be shown within your Task Manager. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to clear your cached RAM on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.